Become an expert in indoor gardening, go from beginner to advanced grower fast. Welcome to the world of indoor gardening. Today, we're going to take a step-by-step journey from the basics to advanced techniques, guiding you to become a green thumb even if you're living in a high-rise apartment. Your indoor garden is a place where you can grow your favorite flowers, vegetables, herbs, and even fruit trees, all within the comfort of your own home. Indoor gardening isn't just for green thumbs, it's for anyone who has the desire to nurture life. Firstly, let's understand what indoor gardening really is. Indoor gardening allows you to cultivate plants inside your home, creating a vibrant, fresh atmosphere. It's not just about aesthetics, indoor plants also improve air quality and uplift your spirits. Let's start with the basics, choosing the right plants for indoor gardening. Succulents, snake plants, and pothos are great for beginners because they need less care and are incredibly resilient. They'll survive even if you forget to water them once in a while. Selecting an indoor plant isn't just about aesthetics. It's about understanding your home's lighting, temperature, and humidity levels, and choosing a plant that will thrive in those conditions. Choose plants based on their light requirements and your home's light conditions. Low-light loving plants like snake plants, peace lilies, or pothos are great for beginners. With this tutorial on indoor gardening, you can go from beginner to advanced grower and truly harness the benefits of enjoying your very own indoor garden. After choosing the right plant, the next step is selecting an appropriate pot. Remember, the pot's material and size can significantly impact your plant's growth. So, let's talk about pots and containers. It's important to have a pot with drainage holes to prevent overwatering. Remember, too much water can be just as harmful as too little. The size of the pot should be proportional to the size of your plant. Next, let's discuss soil. Indoor plants generally do best in a good quality potting mix. This type of soil is light and fluffy, promoting good root growth and ensuring proper drainage. Avoid using outdoor garden soil as it can be too heavy and may contain pests and diseases. The next crucial step is watering. Proper watering is vital for plant growth and can often be a balancing act for beginners. Even indoor plants need the right amount of water. Overwatering or underwatering can cause damage, so always check the soil's moisture level before watering. Overwatering is the main cause of indoor plant death. A good rule of thumb is to water your plants when the top inch of soil is dry. Always use room temperature water and water deeply until you see water coming out of the drainage holes. Watering your indoor plants isn't a one-size-fits-all task. It requires understanding your plant's specific needs and adapting to its watering rhythm for optimal growth. Light is another crucial element for indoor gardening. Most indoor plants thrive in bright, indirect light. But remember, different plants have different light needs. Make sure to research your specific plant's needs and adjust accordingly. The correct intensity and duration of light are vital as it influences the plant's growth, flowering, and fruiting, ensuring their overall well-being. Beyond watering and lighting, temperature control is key to indoor plant health. Ensure your plants are in a stable, suitable environment, away from drafty windows and heaters. Temperature and humidity play a big role. Most indoor plants prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels of 40 to 60%. You can increase humidity by placing a tray of water near your plant or using a humidifier. Next, let's dive into understanding plant nutrition. Just like humans, plants need nutrients to grow healthy and strong. This is where fertilizers come in. Don't forget about fertilizing. Indoor plants need to be fed regularly with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Always follow the instructions on the package to prevent over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. Caring for indoor plants also involves nourishing the soil with appropriate fertilizer, typically every 2 months, for sustained growth and vibrant foliage. Pruning is a part of indoor gardening too. Regularly inspect your plants and remove any yellow or brown leaves. This not only keeps your plant looking great, but also helps prevent the spread of disease. Pruning is an important part of keeping your plants looking fresh and presentable. Reasons for pruning could be to cut away dead leaves, dried flowers and branches, or to encourage a more bushy or balanced growth pattern. Houseplants should be typically pruned at the beginning of the growing season. For flowering species, it is best to prune them just after they have finished flowering, otherwise it might remove unopened buds that could have flowered. Lastly, let's talk about pest control. Keep an eye out for common indoor plant pests like spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. If you spot any, treat your plant immediately with a mild insecticidal soap. Importantly, maintain best and optimal conditions to grow indoor plants. Plants cannot fight off pests when they are struggling to grow in less or more light, water, temperature, or too wet or too dry soil. And remember to keep your plants clean. Remove any dead leaves or stems or flowers from the soil surface, and wash plant leaves with fresh water and a damp cloth to remove any dust or grime that could decrease plant health. As we've seen in this tutorial, indoor gardening is a rewarding hobby that can bring a bit of the outdoors inside. With a little practice, patience, and the right care, you can grow a lush indoor garden filled with beautiful, healthy plants. Happy gardening!
And that concludes our video tutorial to learn indoor gardening and quickly go from beginner to advanced grower. We hope you enjoyed the video and will consider applying some of these techniques in your own indoor garden. Stay tuned as we bring you more videos on growing a wide variety of fruits, flowers, and vegetables at home. Subscribe to our channel. We publish videos every week, and we know you will enjoy watching and learning. Until next time, goodbye.